How to play Forza Horizon 5 online Xbox. So to play Forza Horizon 5 online on your Xbox, you need to subscribe to Xbox Game Pass, which requires an active subscription, which means you have to pay real money. Then you want to launch Forza Horizon 5 on your Xbox console. Then open the pause menu, press the menu button, and simply just go to your controller and open the game's pause menu. Then you want to use the bumpers to move to the online tab. Then choose the Horizon Live option to join a public online free roam session. And if needed, you may need to complete some introductory races before being able to freely roam online. You can also invite friends if you want to play with friends. You can create or join a convoy through the online menu. And this involves creating a convoy by joining one or existing one and then inviting your friends from your Xbox friend list. And that's how you can play Forza Horizon 5 online on Xbox.